In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share smooth video in Zoom from YouTube or computer. If you've ever tried to play a video during a Zoom meeting and noticed that the audio didn't come through properly or the motion looked choppy for other participants, this quick setup will help. The good news is that Zoom already has the right tools built in. You just need to enable the correct options before you start sharing. First, while you're inside your Zoom meeting, go to the bottom of the screen and click Share. This will open a new window where Zoom asks what you want to present. From here, choose the specific browser window or video player where your YouTube video or local computer video is already open. Selecting the correct window is important because it helps keep your presentation clean and focused, instead of showing your entire desktop if that's not necessary. Before you actually begin sharing, take a moment to look at the settings in the share window. This is the most important part if you want the video to play smoothly for everyone in the meeting. Make sure share sound is turned on. This allows the audio from the video to be heard by your audience directly through Zoom, rather than relying on your microphone to pick up the sound from your speakers. That gives a much clearer result. Next, turn on Optimize for video sharing. This setting helps Zoom handle motion more smoothly, which is especially useful for YouTube clips, recorded presentations, tutorials, or any video with movement and sound. Without it, the video may appear laggy or less fluid to viewers. Once both of those settings are enabled, click Share. At that point, your selected browser window or video player will be shared into the meeting with better audio and smoother playback. That's really all there is to it. As a quick reminder, the key to getting the best results is simply choosing the correct video window and making sure both share sound and optimize for video sharing are switched on before you hit share. If you skip either of those, your audience may not get the full experience. And that's it. You now know how to share smooth video in Zoom from YouTube or from your computer.